On your own. Proud to Black Stars. Bibia okay.
Bending.
Okay.
Somebody amadi kan kase and then you be whether automa stay. Intendo the young Casabi, young quay for any answer.
Mr. Santa Quate.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pumi, dear. Yeah, then Yamiase. Where the young Sadan to fee, young a quick one now, Minko Diminkomo Bimra, we are now about Black Stars and a proper. But me, one question, and I'm person says is here, and Sana Dubia what the account. Enzo, and Yagana Quay. I just said, she said, or Casabia, Enzo. Or Casabia Enzo and a Madrid. Kofi, minimo, ebia, what is story bia? Means that enim efa Enzo apart from the media baya. Abrantene who anase bia and komobia. Madrid any nedi kukwame bia nyabon, emenya mabonchi, and ebia watibi dia obetimine. Mathieu for Enzo.
I think they in see it together and who they are be a chair. Luckily for Chelsea. So it's easy to find out exactly what the problem is at Enzo. Maybe the Ujamia. Once you had my long analysis and time no crown to Joshua. So but I don't know what he thinks about Enzo's situation.
Joe Mami miss away. Minim say working can be a making can be because for the our system no will be enemy say mad the crime and your official or mundi komo internal input so mo pe Enzo just football connoisseurs no and mo kasa to the be a Fiifi taka say na ya gimmick or mo just to raise a brand no the price na Enzo Chelsea no e be up a new contract near the minim e be ade wakokin ka bibia minya bi nkan ya Enzo ni mad the issue yi.
Also the Enzo situation a very delicate one.
Okay.
Simply because if you have a player of his caliber na or back out say or make his statement here, it could be a bigger problem that is coming out because one player has decided to speak. Niente make us same way say. So Usheni ye pa. Enzo Fernandez is one of the captains at Chelsea currently.
Yeah.
That's number one. Number two, and they say the changes in the managerial setup over the last 2 to 3 years. Yenya permanent manager what's not Chelsea acheka krano. E ha players no.
Okay.
But Enzo Fernandez they said you're okay. Why you frustrated? And it's very clear. Say, why do we have a situation where you cannot prioritize the well-being or the welfare of the players and let one manager stay at the job and get the job done, at least get the season through, and then see how we solve internal issues? Because most some managers consistently you don't give the players enough time to grow and understand how to play a certain system of football under a certain manager. Enzo Fernandez about Chelsea, he has been coached by Pochettino. He has been coached by Enzo Maresca. He has been coached by Abranti Efreno, Graham Potter.
Say to my Twitter so the same thing. And now buy na Twitter ko. There be say buy na Twitter or Enzo Fernandez.
Enzo came in January.
Dina Twitter ko.
Dina Twitter e be free.
Na Twitter be free or not buy.
Into the info say three managers.
Enzo didn't know work on it.
Yeah. Into the said three managers, three different managers over the space of about 2 to 3 years, roughly. Gab, I think this is not a standard that a team like Chelsea should be upholding. But unfortunately, no. A bigger problem at that team, no so. So when you have Obiti say Enzo Fernandez coming out to speak, he's speaking for the players. Okay.
Okay.
But the frustration because of how it looks right now, no. Enzo Fernandez doesn't look like a player who wants to continue in this system.
But Joshua, I want to ask, it be the same way. And yet the situation of Chelsea, because you see, it's very easy to be able to blame Blue Chelsea owners, because or Pamon or Saki no den forward.
Yeah.
But Obabeto club, na club ni jina baby club no onko muda. Because now Roman are running a club, BBNC. And Russia and Ukraine war by sea.
Yeah.
And your blue coat fault. And your Roman fault. And British government say okay fine we are sanctioning the club. They say they a forced sale. Forced sale no quickly means that within a stipulated time.
I see you.
This will be better club. No?
Yeah.
Or better club say okay and see they be a machine go for us Abiko says. And in go for you almost say oh Chelsea owners no a ton crown crowd. Now it's no ton crown crying someone to experience. When the owners came, the first players they bought were not young players. Okay, Khalid Koulibaly.
Khalid Koulibaly, Edouard
Raheem
Mendy, Raheem Sterling,
Yes.
yeah.
Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang.
Yeah,
Under Thomas Tuchel. These are experienced pros. Because he's saying, it's your own owners. They say, no. You're here because of the way you nimbo nimunis and your money one. We'll buy these old guys. We're 30, 29. Team no be brave financially. Yes, yes, as we have quality players, more board in my It is sad, yeah. Let us buy young, our quality, and give them time to blossom. But the truth of the matter is that Chelsea fans are accustomed to Nyomabi, which is winning.
Win.
It when the new curve in the bar is okay, you have 2 year boss, Graham Potter will be a man at time. I can tell you for a fact, say, Abian Keka Chelsea winners don't could have given Graham Potter, who's the Graham Potter when you won full season.
Bene pressure na neba.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of Stanford Bridging a Bruno, new owners. Then they cowed and they said Graham Potter uncle. And a Frank Lampard be far club no make us see end of the season. And a Frank Lampard they can say, build a club na around Enzo Caicedo Reece mo. And a Reece so better na. Caicedo extending the contract, some players.
Yeah.
Then they want to bring Mauricio Pochettino, which for me was a wrong appointment.
Okay.
And Mauricio Babe boy team na kakra. Then Mauricio left. For me, the best appointment was Enzo Maresca. They be a maker of Yazi. Me Penzo Maresca sem me Antonio Conte fanboy. After that, Thomas Tuchel. But Enzo Maresca came to usurp all of these guys in my eyes.
Okay.
But after that, Enzo Maresca, any team in a man as Pamono.
On record, or no, saying,
yeah. So to be very honest, the owners probably do not. I'm very sure say yes, some more differences there, but they would have hoped, according to the owners, yen China someone and running into center back on him out. And me into center back no, sad time no, you quite yen quality of the best team. Maresca said they be born here okobon yen to be more pressure be fans no aba. Much less say fans the pressure bar. You people will cower. One try no massacre me. Then up and down, they have to let the manager go. For me, Enzo has a right. So club also go uncover or a player. But it is getting too many for even on Wankasa.
So baby, I will free banner said the echoes of currently Enzo can once and yet about the ownership no. And your ownership na create idea you win saying.
Me say Inca Florentino Perez kind of Chelsea team that would have gone through what they are going through.
Granted, Matthias,
yeah.
But yem free Frank Lampard one because Frank Lampard was na learning curve at the team no. What benya ideas because now know that told Bully Baba catches even call fast to Marco Kwea akwa on there. Do I say what is a city every player when him say city of course near ma or mode players in no one say players near no atobi fine what setting in we with the Paul Stanley money at the adiaba what set it up with channels we are if you want to West you can so I fine aside that no ba benya Enzo Maresca which I nyina yetie enim se sanka team no ego da lena Enzo Maresca pa anka Enzo nya den enko so player ne dey say dia wo kofiu kikan ya pese ye tie ase say team no say na afi no mo what ase be ya ba bedu ba bia afidi ye si kwan no so be Enzo won sa so omo san de omo sign bi enu asem na yisi aye kan
enyo Enzo nko ne hunu sa me so every Chelsea player
yes sani anajo shakra ka say player bi o ni anu nti
Malo Gusto 2 days ago
for the kind of same thing yeah enu am ba
they were shocked in a complicated time for them obia including regimes because manager no and na Enzo na krako kan ya na meneriche back and forth on and Enzo Maresca they knew exactly how they were playing okata woni krampa oni de yombebo but new manager ba eno chese Liam Asan New manager ba a different way. I feel about Bisuya style of play for in the middle of the season. It's a confusion, baby. As vice captain of the club, aside all interest, if Enzo wants to go to Madrid, or person question say they are choice if one catch no, and achievable. He has every right. But mind you, as with Makaniha, Nieti Enzo yes ano. For me, I see it from 3 legs. Contractual wise, only any leverage.
Obetim de jazz.
Your 6 years contract for Chelsea. Edding. Sends away free Chelsea team. 2. Is there a club that is willing to fork out at least 100 million for Enzo Fernandez and Ne as we sit here? According to L'Equipe and Fabrice Hawkinsmo, Paris Saint-Germain has made it clear someone won't pay Enzo Fernandez. Madrid have not said anything clearly on him. So these are the issues. I think that's one. Or person money clear so your obeko. Send a bear say Chelsea for any this contract extension come on your DNA. On better I say me cry me nyame ko 2% it's not there then me won sem so that I can stay. Again, also making it clear to Chelsea say me nyame ko. It is obi the 100 million in the summer and to chon ase. Take it and let me go. But I think there yeah.
But now Joshua lie now no the free ban no. Now what the any say now say on shada ne enya but what can some baby see the na Joshua say
what I'm saying is that and yeah about say honestness saki managers no. You understand? And you say bia honestness okay almost o man share na almost saki managers.
Okay.
You say Joshua's point was that and then Wasaki Maresca.
Yeah.
Ochina Wasaki Porter. Ochina what you see.
Yeah.
But Maresca and you in Saki. No?
For that one there.
Exactly. For Graham Porter, the contract was 5 years. Even for Liam Rosini, it's 5 years. So it tells you the intention of the owner. Say, okay, you keep managers now for the long term. But we all know we make plans. It's me plans and he has to go. As a pro footballer, Enzo himself has to understand. So Oshana say no need man, he has to go.
Joe, Shana yemi honum na fi.
Nti on say nti de na make no. And no frustration no. Managers now mo pamo mo no. And no frustration no. And na make say e betimi affect.
And you say betimi be affect you mo.
Nti that's granted. On say Fiifi Kasembi and I really agree with him. When you look at players no, a posture no, after all that has happened over the last few months and years, you realize that they are all harboring some resentment via a woman but after the APA.
Yeah.
It's the last okay, I may catch it out say Moises Caicedo. Or a player, I like him. And what he said Nanciano, it makes me look at him from a suspicious lens.
But is that not also because that is his person?
It could be. It could be, but on say
Obi Onuma on Pesa. Me for one. Meeting why Juma. Oh, Yamana Yenimpe.
Yeah.
But I will never say it outside say Minyameko. But when the time comes now to go respectfully.
Yeah.
So maybe that's his person.
So I know your difference on what that on Enzo in terms.
Enzo a Moise Caicedo the dean. Enzo is more outspoken. And I don't think there's a Chelsea fans airtime Enzo because of that.
Okay.
Charlie, and then Oshana say
I didn't
it's normal in life. So what you say, but more too can be a different.
Chelsea dear, asem no. Yebeti ebi after international break no. On be back now on be to season so to the end no. Now it seems to me as if say by the time a season no be end no. And sure na omo make arrangement on who could replace Abrante's friend Liam Rosinia. Me who say he will be the coach even for Chelsea at the end of the season or for next season.
Really? Because
of Nsema Ebe. I'm sure a bedroom critical point be there will have to be an internal meeting between the players and the management. And the resolution or the agreement they will come to is that Liam Rosinia may not be the capable one to carry them into next season.
Okay, well, and then the Black Stars in community where the proper many currency ventures for ending commo.